Would you wanna meet me where I'm at to see it? We could go much deeper, or could you never? Yeah, I know it's stupid, jeopardize it all, but it's all risk we're taking. 'Cause I don't wanna crawl. Wish I could rewind it, make it go away, but I can't help my feelings, and I just wanna say I adore you. I just wanna tell you I adore you. I just need to let you know I adore you. You're the only one. I adore you. Whoa. No, it's fucking crazy the way I'm thinking about you lately. 'Cause I just wanna do you. You always got me rocking in a good mood. Fire in my engine. Can you feel the tension? Can you feel the tension? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I adore you. I just wanna tell you I adore you. I just need to let you know I adore you. 24/7, I've got you in my mind. You're the only one. All the time. I adore you. Yeah, I adore you. 24/7, I've got you in my mind. Baby girl, I think about you all the time. I adore you. Yeah, I adore you. Yeah. 24/7, I got you in my mind. Baby girl, I think about you all the time. I adore you. Yeah, I adore you. Yeah. I adore you. I adore you. I adore you. I adore you. There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. 'Cause baby, I got you, 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 you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna